Welcome to what is going to be a full build for a rather unique, beautiful bike. When the owner gets their obligatory photo standing over the bike, things will need to be just so. The owner's going to want to know why. But what can we bring to the table when the hub's been picked, the rims and tires have been picked? How can we add to the beauty of that shot? We're not going to begin with the frame, actually going to begin with the wheels. Although it's a wheel build, we're actually not concerned about the rim just yet. We're actually going to the periphery of the situation, the tire. Where should this be? How should it be oriented? Yes, it does spin around, but again, this is where we're going to start. This logo screams, I want to be at the top. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. There's a rotational arrow for riding, that's true, but this is how we're going to orient it. So logo is going to be up. Next, the rim, orientation of the rim. So we have our valve. We're going to put the chrome-plated brass valve up, draws the eye upward to the logo. But we check this rim. It's a simple rim, drilled, centered. We don't have one side wide, one side narrow for our offset rims. Not this case. The rim is happy to be here. The rim is just as happy to be here. But these are choices for us. We make the tough choice here. We're going to put Belgium to the back, head to the front. That's how that's going to be. Front wheel is going to be different. We're not going to match. It's going to be a mirror image. That would be there. Brass up, Belgium to the front here. What are we doing? We are wrapping Belgium around our head. Next, we need to clock our hubs. We need to clock the logos so that they're directly down from the valve. And there's ways to do that. It can be done if you simply go back to a wheel, anybody's wheel, do some backwards engineering. Let's look at one. Now that is a stunning wheel. And it teaches us something. If that were our valve core, let's look at the parallel spokes here. Parallel sets consist of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The white, the blue, 8 of them. So we are looking at that. We remove this. If we sight down, we can see we are located in the middle between the E and the X. Then we come to our hub, right at that blue head is lined up there. This is the clocking trick. Over 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth spoke, that's going to be my keystone spoke. That's the one I'm going to build off of. So over again, where you want to locate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the one. Could be elbow out, could be elbow in, but that determined the clocking of the hub. So let's apply it to what we got. Let's check the front hub. Pretty simple logo. The proud owner stands over the top tube, can gaze at the logo. It makes sense. Also, we check the logo. It falls right in line with this hole right here. That is where we're going to start our count. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth hole over is going to clock my key spoke up to the rim. That's going to put the logo right where we want it. Now to the rear. The rear, giving us a bit of a sticky wicket. Not the same orientation. We can do the logo with this hole on that wheel part of the logo. That would line up nice. I could count over, but this one, I will split the difference between the two. So 2 choices here. It's important to make a decision, stick with it. We're going to split the difference. So from here, it's that hole there. I'm going to count over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth hole That is my key spoke. That's going to go onto my rim right here. Good idea now. Why don't we throw a couple of parallel spokes in and see if it works. Look down here. We need 8 spokes as our parallel set. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my parallel spoke. It comes up. It's going to go next to the valve. This is just a double check. So let's take it out, take out the valve. Notice we're slightly to this side, and that makes sense. So we look straight down here, just where I wanted it. That is the double check. Check it out. Are you in the middle? Time to correct it now if you're not. Later on, it's a pain. We have our key spokes in. All the others are going to fall into place. We're going to pull it tight, dish it, tension it. All is going to be beautiful. Next will be the rim tape. It's already been picked. Looks like good stuff. Matches nicely. I approve. But next, what's next? I just don't know what to do here. There are so many color choices. I cannot decide. Help me. Help me, viewers. What color should we be using on our sealant? Do you like the pink? Do you like the green? Do you like the black color of some of those? Put it down in the comments below, and I gotta go build some wheels. We'll see ya.